Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting video. Today I'm walking you through a special use case, an end-to-end integration in our Psense application, where we connect HTTP to Salesforce, Kafka, and finally to the end node. This is a big moment for us as it's our first ever CRM integrations within Psense. Now let's dive into the Synapse Capsule designer, where we can perform some truly powerful actions. First, I'm going to create a new capsule, which I'll be naming as Salesforce CRM and description as a test project. Now I'm going to create a new flow with name Salesforce and Kafka, description as a test flow, and the flow type is going to be integration and nature as main flow. Now I'm gonna expand the channels tab on my right, where I can find HTTP listener and add it to our connections. Now let's move on to the CRM tab. Here I'll add the Salesforce outbound node to our flow. After that, I'll connect the Kafka node, which is responsible for managing real-time data streaming and message brokering. At this point, we have a complete flow from HTTP to Salesforce and Kafka. Once the flow is set up, I'll inspect each node to review its properties. For example, our HTTP listener consists of the operation name, the operation type, and other optional properties such as the host name and HTTP port. Once all are fine, I'm going to save this. Now let's move on to Salesforce outbound configuration. Here, there are some key features where we can add our username, password, security token, consumer key, consumer secret, which are mandatory for logging into the Salesforce account. Coming to the operations, it will be a create student operation, object name will be account, and few other important properties which are necessary to post the data to the Salesforce account. Coming to Kafka, we have the brokers, the input topic, output topic, and other protocols, and similarly we'll have some external system options such as username, password if required. I'll save the flow to apply the changes and download it as a project to my local machine. We have successfully downloaded the project to our local. Let's see how it works in live. Let's start by opening Postman, which we'll use to send a payload related to a Salesforce account. Now I'll hit send to submit this request. As we can see, we are receiving a status code of 200. Now let's switch over to Salesforce tab. Here we should see the new account that was just created using the payload we sent. I'll refresh the page to confirm that the data is reflected correctly. Here we go. The data that we have sent from the payload is successfully created in the Salesforce account. Now let's take a look at our Kafka topic. The data we send to Salesforce should also be published to a Kafka topic for further processing. This allows us to decouple our systems and handle the data asynchronously. As you can see, the data that we sent is successfully sent to the Kafka topic. In summary, we have successfully sent data to Salesforce and published it to a Kafka topic. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to add them in the comment section. Thank you.